Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, shall we start our today's learning? Okay. Today we are going to read our chapter number 4 of EVS book, and the name of the chapter is Feeling Around. Okay. Before reading the chapter, let's recollect. Students, as we have already learned about old and physically challenged people, in this chapter we will learn about people who are differently abled and the emotional response to a good or bad touch. Okay. So students, first of all we will study about our five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Students, do you know what these sense organs do? These sense organs collect information about our surroundings and send it to the brain. And we can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste with our senses. Okay, now we will discuss about the sense of touch. Okay, students, tell me what sense organs do we use to touch the objects around us? Yes, skin. We use skin to feel the objects around us. Now, can you tell me how our hand help us? Okay, when we touch something, the nerves under the skin get pressed and carry the message to the brain, and the brain then tells us what the object we are touching. Okay, the skin is the covering of our body and it helps us to feel the texture of the things. Got it? Students, what you have to remember? You should be very careful while touching things. There are certain things you should never touch, like hot objects, iron, utensils, sharp things like blades, knives, nails, and unknown plants. Okay? Now, let's learn about good touch and bad touch. Students, our body is sensitive towards touch. By touching a thing, you can tell if the object is cold or hot, wet or dry, hard or soft, and smooth or rough. Okay. You should be able to differentiate between good touch or a bad touch. Students, like the touch of your parents and grandparents as you feel the warmth of love in it. When your elders pat you in appreciation, you feel very good. No? On the other hand, sometimes if somebody touches you and you feel uncomfortable, you feel that their touch is bad. Okay. So what you have to do at the time? You have to avoid such people to keep safe. Okay. And inform your parents or teachers about it. Got it? Next topic is the sense of smell. Can you tell me which sense organs do we use to smell the things? Yes, nose. It is through our nose that we smell different odors. When the smell enters our nostrils, the nerves send a message to our brain and the brain tells us about that smell. Okay, the smell is good or bad. Now we will know about differently abled people. Students, those people who cannot see, hear, speak, learn, or walk like everyone else are called differently abled people or a special people. People who cannot see, they learn to read using Braille script. Students, can you tell me what is Braille script? Okay. This script has letters with raised dots, and people who cannot see can feel raised letters with their fingers. Okay. People who cannot hear or speak, they learn to communicate through sign language. So what is sign language? A sign language that employs sign made with hands and fingers and other movement is known as sign language. Students, you can see in this picture some sign and alphabets are written there. And with the help of these alphabets, people who cannot hear or speak can communicate. Okay. And students, it is our responsibility to understand the problems of these special people by putting ourselves in their situation. And we should try to support them and help them wherever and whenever possible. Got it? So students, this was our chapter number 4, Feeling Around. I hope you all have understood this whole chapter. So what you have to do now? You have to read the chapter twice at home and learn the hard words. Okay, bye-bye. See you soon.